Assalamu alaikum. This is Fajr Islam Suhel. You may address me as Suhel. I'm come from Brahmanbaria. You may know Brahmanbaria is a old and wonderful city, and I'm a student also. And now I live in Dhaka at Mohammedpur at English Fantasy because uh, I want to make myself strong about basic. As you know, I got admission here, basic plus IELTS. That's why I came here, and my future plan is I want to be a businessman. That's why I'm here because I want to go abroad and I want to know about business policy, native business policy also. At the end, I should say a word about English fantasy. I think English fantasy is very good. Especially, especially my mentors is very supportive and a very gentleman. Thank you. That's all.